I'm following them people. Where you at? He right there.
Oh, he ain't barking at the people today.
Where you at?
Yo, that's somewhere he is not fucking with nobody. He good. He like right at the people.
Hold on, boys. Don't come around me. I'm gonna run from you. Told you I'm gonna run from you. You as human, I'm an animal. You gonna hurt me. Do not come mess with me. You gonna hurt me. I'm gonna stay right here and hide. Please don't leave me. You think I'm scared of you? I'll bite your head off. Don't play with me. I'm black and you black, but I got a white inside of me. So my blood is pumping Kool-Aid. I guess I'm gonna eat some of this grass. You see how thick I am? I'm about to take me a leak if I can find the right spot. I'm buff. I've been lifting weights. Don't look at me like that. I'm just a grown man. Look at me. I've been working out. I've been on the treadmill for a long time. I'm gonna get in this light so you can see me. I'm the big dog around here. Don't look at me like that. You know you see me. Let me make sure the case is clear. I'm gonna take me a walk. You don't come around me now. Don't be looking at me like that. I don't play with kids. I'm a grown man. From the jaw on down to the waist. I don't play. Babe.
Why you did not close the door?
She's gone for a last ride, Coco. The Toyota Camry 2001 gone, bye-bye. She gonna miss her baby. Look, she sold her car yesterday. She made a profit off it, you know what I'm saying? She was sluggish.
I didn't say how much. I'm gonna go miss you, boo. We had a lot going on. We had a lot of time together.
Turn left on Shaver Street.
Girl, used to be a motel and everything.
Bye, boo.
Y'all hit that like and subscribe. A place that buy cars.
Head west toward